Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca Lee Henderson. Have you ever had one of those days, or maybe one of those weeks, or maybe one of those years where things are just really tough and you wish you could just let go and have a full reset? Well, this is a powerful exercise that can help you on your way there. It's a pranayama, which is just a fancy yoga term for taking control of the breath to enhance life force. Which sounds, pretty good, doesn't it? So your breath can be a very powerful tool to calm down the body, calm down the nervous system, and calm down the mind. And from there, we can come to experience the power and the peace of our own true being. So I hope you like it, and come along with me. All you need for this one is just to find a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged like me on your yoga mat if that's comfortable, or maybe sit upright in a chair, or maybe even just relax down on your back. Just wherever you're at, make sure the spine is long and tall. Okay, so let's just start by just relaxing the gaze, or maybe close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And let's just all take a few collective rounds of breath in and out together, just to let our day go and land here, now, together. So take a deep breath in. Exhale, sigh it out. Good, let's do two more just like that. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. Good, one more deep breath in. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. Good, just beginning to let any residual tension just begin to melt away. And now from here, just place one hand over your belly, your beautiful Buddha belly. And begin to breathe deep down into your belly so that you're breathing into your hand. You may feel it rise forward a little bit more. Good, let's take another breath like that. Good, and one more deep breath down into your belly. And exhale out. Good, now place one hand over your heart center, your big, beautiful heart. And maybe it needs a little hug right now, so maybe just give it a little rub if that feels good. Just beginning to connect in with the heart center. And now begin to breathe up into your heart so that you're breathing up into your top hand now. And you may feel it just rise and fall with the rhythm of your chest. Good, let's do two more just like that. You're doing really great. Take a deep breath into your heart. Exhale out. Good, one more deep, nourishing breath into your heart. And gently exhale out. Good, and now just flutter your eyes open if they've been closed, just so you can see me for a second, and place your hand around the sides of your rib cage. And if that's not comfortable, option as well to cross your arms and grasp the sides of your rib cage from the other side. And now from here, begin to breathe into your side rib cage. Just noticing what that feels like. Again, breathing in that nourishing life force. Nourishing prana. Good, two more just like that. You're doing great. Take a deep breath into the side of your rib cage. Expanding through the ribs, exhale out. Good, again, deep breath into the side of your rib cage. Exhale out. Good, and now bring your hands just down by your sides. And now perhaps softening your gaze again, or closing your eyes if that's comfortable. And bring your awareness to the back of your ribs, so your mid-back. and imagine, and in fact, send the breath into the middle of your back. Maybe into the space between your shoulder blades. And if you're lying on your back, you could even imagine breathing down into the floor behind you. Good, beautiful work, expanding into the back of your rib cage. We rarely give it much attention into the breath. You're doing great. 2 more breaths just like that. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Good, 1 more deep breath into your beautiful back ribs. Exhale out. Good. Now return your breath down into your belly. Take a deep breath down into your belly. Exhale out. Again, deep breath through the nose down into the belly. Exhale out through the nose. Good. Now on your next inhale, breathe down into the belly and then expand the inhale into your rib cage, the full circumference of your rib cage, front, side, and back. Exhale out through the nose. Good. Again, deep breath down into the belly. Fill up the full circumference of your rib cage. Exhale out through the nose. You're doing great. 1 more deep breath in together. Fill up the belly, the rib cage. Exhale out through the nose. Good. Now on this next inhale, fill up the belly, the rib cage, and now expand your inhale all the way up. It feels like it's going up into your shoulders. Inhaling as much air, as much life force as you can. And now exhale, emptying out the exhale from the shoulders through the rib cage and the belly. Good. 2 more just like that. Fill up the belly, the rib cage, the shoulders, and exhale, empty out the shoulders, the rib cage, the belly. Good. Another deep, nourishing breath in. Fill up the belly. Breathe into the rib cage, fill up the shoulders, and exhale from the shoulders, the rib cage, empty out the belly. Good, and just finishing off your current round of breath. And now inhale, sweep your arms up above you. Maybe bringing your gaze up if that feels comfortable. Breathe up into your heart center. And exhale, bring the hands through prayer, bringing them down to your heart center. Perhaps feeling your heart begin to glow a little bit brighter with each breath in and each breath out. The light in me bows to and honors the light in each and every one of you. Thank you so much for sharing your powerful energy with me today. Have a great rest of your day.